My name is Metika Arimit. My ID is 7907240. This is my midterm project for ICT489. It's a coin counter. In this case, I will use 5 baht coin. So in this project, I use the LCD display, button, LED light, buzzer, and this sensor. This sensor is called TCRT 5000, which I put it in here to detect the coin. The sensor is connected to 4 jumper wires. The 2 of the jumper wires connected to the negative, and this one is connected to the positive with 220 resistor, and this one is connected to the another wire that is connected to the A0 with a 10K resistor. And this buzzer, the buzzer is connected to the pin 12 and the ground. LED light, the LED light is connected to the pin number 8 with the 220 resistor and the ground. The button is connected to the positive, the ground, and this is connected to the pin number 7 with a resistor. And the LCD display is connected to the A4 and A5 with positive and negative. The button is used to reset the value on the display. And the LED light will light up when the coin is detected, and the buzzer will make a sound when the coin is detected. And next I will show you the code. This is the code I used for this project. First, this is the library for the LCD display. And this is to set the LCD address for the 16 character and 2-line display. This is for the variable. First, the reset button is for pin number 7. The LED is pin 12. The buzzer is pin 8. Then I set the value for the coin amount and the total to be 0. In the void setup, I start with serial begin for the serial monitor and set the pin mode of the reset button to be input, the pin mode of the red LED to be output, and pin mode for buzzer to be output. Then this is to initialize the LCD. Then this is to turn on the black light and print the message on the display at first. This is the first row. The first row will say 5 baht counter, and this is the second row. The second row will say the amount of the coin and the total. Then in the void loop, this is the sensor. Sensor is analog read on A0. If the sensor detect the coin, it will print detect coin on the serial monitor, and the coin amount will be coin amount plus 1. and the total will be total plus 5 because I use 5 baht. Then digital right, the LED will turn on, and this one is to turn on the buzzer for 100 milliseconds, then turn off. Then this one is to display the update value of the coin amount and the total. Then it delay 200 milliseconds and then turn off the light. Then this one is for the reset button. If the button is pressed, the serial monitor will print high and the coin amount will be 0. Total will turn to 0. And then this one is to delete whatever on the second row, then print the new value. That's it for the code. So at first I was going to use this one to detect 4 coins, and the LCD will show the amount of each coin and the total altogether. I was going to put the sensor in each hole, but when I did it, the sensor does not detect the coin properly, so I had to change my idea to be the one I use instead. And also I break some of the sensors, so I could not use it. So I changed to this one, then I add the features like buzzer and LED light instead.